Hey, Davidson students. Mr. Sexton here. I don't know why I don't have a lot of you guys finishing up or even doing my easy career related assignments. So I'm here to show you what you're supposed to be doing one more time. Okay, so we have 1 week left, and this can be done in a couple days if you just sit down and do it. So at your class link, you're going to click on ICEV. It's going to open, and my screen's going to look different than yours. So you need to log in. I've showed you guys how to log in and everything like that, and I'll attach my other video to the post as well. But I showed you guys how to log in. So once you log in, I'm going to show you guys what it is that you need to do. So after you log in and you've taken your survey and you did your 3 student notes, those are grades. Once you find out, like I'm going to go to this one here, you're going to find out after you take your inventory here, your fill-in notes are here. All you got to do is click on these right here and fill them in. And it's a 1 or 2 answer. You have your choice. So, and if you do a bad job the first time, you can take it again and get a higher grade. Now, this is all stuff that I've explained in my first video. Okay, so once you are done with this, you're going to get results. And let me pull someone else's results up. So after your survey, you're going to get results that look like this. I don't know where it's at on yours. I just know that on mine, I can bring yours up. Okay? So here's the results. I asked you guys to, out of these top 3 jobs here, you pick one of them. Okay? Then once you pick one of them, you are going to go back to your lessons, and you're going to say, okay, well, I chose to do agriculture, food, and natural resources. Whatever career it is that you're choosing, you're looking for the Exploring Careers tab. Okay? And so I'm going to open this one up. So, this is what I've told you guys to do. You're going to do all these videos right here. And there's notes to take with them. So you're going to click on the interactive, whatever Exploring Careers you're doing, and you're going to do all these worksheets or notes or whatever it's called. And you're even going to take the assessment as your final grade. That is what you're supposed to be doing. So you'll click on this and watch the video that goes with it. Okay? So that is all that you are doing. I say all, I mean, it doesn't seem like a whole lot. So, any of these assignments that you do, you could redo them if you didn't do well the first time. Any of them. And probably even this assessment. So for those of you guys who took the assessment, which is going to count as a test grade, and got a 43 and you're happy with it, I'm not sure if your parents would be happy with that. I'm only guessing. Okay? Now, I've given you guys plenty of time to do this. I know you guys got other stuff going on, and I mean, I understand that. Those people who haven't even started, you guys, I don't know what type of grade I can give you. I mean, I need something from you guys. And you only have to do 1 Exploring Career. Some of you guys did 3, 4 of them, and I don't know why. Because I never said that in my first video, that I'm going to post with this video. All I ask you to do is watch them. So, we got that. I've said that with each one of these pathway videos, you're going to have to do a little extra something to go to turn in your journal. So my directions for what you need for the journal, I'll even post it on here as well, as far as what information you need. But everything has been posted at the OCSD, Davidson Middle School. Hang on, where to go? Davidson Middle School homepage. It's been there since week 1. So here you'll see the teachers' names here, and you just go to mine. Find my name, click on my online assignments, and in my folder is weeks 1 through 7. And it tells you exactly what you need to do. This tells you what you need for each pathway video right here to complete your journal. Now your journal is going to count as a test grade. So you need to try and finish that up. And all that information you might get from the video that you watch for that job. But you have Google as well. So you guys, finish up your core classes, that's fine. But we have 1 more week to do some stuff in my room, in my class. Okay? I showed you how to do this, or where to go to, what to do, that kind of thing. If you have any other questions other than you guys, if you didn't watch the video, I don't understand why you can't watch the video. Okay? I just need some grades to put in for you guys. So, try and get that done. Those who are finishing up and are just needing to take the assessment, please take the assessment. If you need to take it twice, take it twice. I take the highest score. All right? So, 2 big things. Your assessment, finishing up your career thing. Your assessment needs to be done, and your journal that you guys have had time to do. All right? So, I hope that helps. I hope I get more grades coming in because everything's caught up through 3rd period today. Wow. Yeah. But all the grades will be caught up this weekend. So you have 1 more week. Do what you can. Later.